Well, viewers, we've just finished eating at Domino's. I had Domino.
Is a pizza place.
I know. It sounds Domino's sounds like it's a pizza place. It's not. It's called Domino. It's in Alloa. We were the first ones in. Dead popular.
Was it 12:30? We were there at 25 past.
We were there at 25 past 12. We were the first ones in. Just got out now. Been in there an hour, more than an hour. I'm stuffed. We had. Let me think what we had.
Anchovies and bread.
Anchovies and bread. And I had creamy turkey in a creamy sauce with mushrooms and rice. And you had octopus rice. And we also we shared a big like cake thing at the end.
And
we
then
had
half a carafe of wine.
half a carafe of wine.
Not been in this one yet, have we? But this is the thing.
Yeah, this is what you got to watch when you're in.
Near
Everywhere's like that. Yeah.
Everywhere's cash only. So we had half a carafe of wine. You had a beer.
Yep.
Very fizzy water. She gave us like a little liqueur thing. And it was €36. Just over, 36 something.
€36. That's mad.
It was, and it was gorgeous. It was
That's
all
really
lovely.
mad. I think this is that place now when you come around this corner, that Predator guy's here.
Yeah, it is. This is Cha Cha Cha, isn't it?
Cha cha cha. Let's see if I'm right. Let's see if I've got my bearings sussed.
No, Cha Cha Cha's on the next.
Oh, right, he's there, look.
Yeah.
There he is, the Predator fella. It's really hot here today.
You're on the back of it, like the front now, that's frankly.
The back of the front.
You know what?
Imagine that. There he is. It's like some sort of Aztec person.
You can do some kind of tour of all these, can't you? There's 5 or 6 of them, aren't we?
Yeah.
These sculpture things.
Right, so what we're doing now is we're trying to walk our dinner off because we've eaten too much. So we're going to walk around here up to the marina and see how we go.
All in for
Refreshments.
a little drinking bit, not yet. And then we're doing a bit of a shop, aren't we? We need some beer and some water to take first thing in the morning as we're going over to one of the other islands on the ferry.
Yeah, it's 33, it says that.
It is hot.
Cranky. It's banging off the pavement. You feel it in your face. Yeah, it's Portugal are playing tonight, so it's going to be party round here.
Portugal first, then England.
Yeah,
But because this isn't massively touristy,
yeah, there won't be any England.
all the
stuff,
happy hours for the Portugal game, aren't they?
yeah, which is good. We'll catch you later.